Hello, Year 11. It's Miss Butler here. I'm just going to go through with you some bits about the IB course. So, a couple of things to begin with. What do you need to know? Well, you need a grade 5 or more at IGCSE. The textbook that you need is stated there. So, it's the Oxford Course Companion. There is an SLHL split, which I'll go through in a moment. Some potential trips, very exciting, that we might be able to go on. Next academic year is Iceland, Sri Lanka, or Malaysia. ECA is very good links to MUN, especially with debating about global issues, and also thinking about career opportunities. So looking at GIS, urban planning, international relations, surveying, risk mapping, law, insurance. Okay, so in many fields, they need geographers to help them out. So, for example, in insurance, they often have a geographer on their team for certain things that they are insuring. And then I've got some lovely quotes around my screen. My favorite one being geography is the subject which holds the keys to the future. I absolutely fully agree with that. Everything that we teach you is really preparing for future global issues, current global issues. So yeah, I'm a firm believer in that one. So this is just to run you through the subject content that you will learn in both years. So in year 12, it's a split for HL and SL, 6 lessons SL, 2 lessons HL. And these are the topics that you do. So we do urban environments as our first one. And then our internal assessment is based upon what we've learned in that topic. We do population change, global climate, sport, tourism and leisure, and the internal assessment. But that is subject to change depending on how the year goes. So we might end up doing it at the beginning of year 13. HL, you start with power, places and networks, then move on to human development and diversity. Year 13 is a 4-4 split, but we do a lot less content, mainly focusing more on HL than SL, and also getting ready for revision, exam, prep and mocks. Up here, this is a link to the specification. It'd be really good for you to check that out. And also 2 really excellent website subscriptions. We've got Geography All the Way and IB Geog Pods. They both have lots of excellent content on there, but also exam prep, key terms, all of the good stuff. Okay, assessment overview then. So for Geography at IB, we have 3 papers, 2 for SL, 3 for HL, and the internal assessment for everyone. So paper 1, for SL, you do 2 themes. For HL, you do 3 themes, and it's a mixture of short mark and essay-based questions. Paper 2 is fully SL. It's a synoptic paper in the sense that you do your short 10-mark questions for every topic. Then you choose a 12-mark question. But there's also infographic questions which kind of draws all of the information together. Paper 3 is HL only. Again, it's very synoptic. So everything that you know in Unit 4, 5 and 6 come together for the final assessment. So you have one 12-mark question and one 16-mark question. You get 6 options, 3 12, 3 16, and you use knowledge from all of your HL units. And then your internal assessment is on urban stress. We do it preliminarily in year 12, but this year we did it in year 13 because of coronavirus. It's 25% of your grade. So if you secure a good grade in that, it really does set you up nicely, obviously, for your final grade. Then we do our mocks in year 13, and we do, of course, do end of topic assessments for every single unit. And I tend to do end of subtopic quizzes for every subtopic within every unit, just so you can see where you're at and where we need to go over ready for the end of topic assessment. Finally then, just some quick FAQs. So do we just learn about countries? Absolutely not. Geography is very process-based. You look at things from hazardous environments all the way through to political powers, superpowers, population change over time. So it's not just looking at countries. We do look at a lot of case studies, though, to enrich our content with examples. So we do a mix of physical and human, absolutely. However, there is more human than physical. HL is all human geography, but I am a firm believer that you need a good mix of both physical and human geography to be successful. Is it only topics we learn at IGCSE? No, not at all. We do a huge range of topics. And these topics also link to other subjects as well. So history, environmental science, business, and if you were to take it onwards, politics, international relations, etc. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me an email. Thank you very much.